Introducing the follow-up app for Frappe ERPNext, the ultimate solution for efficient follow-up management. With lead and quotation at its core, tracking follow-ups becomes effortless, providing a centralized serve for all your follow-up related activities within a single screen. The app enables tracking of all follow-ups, organizing them based on status and priority, offering reminder functionality, and furnishing detailed reports. A Kanban board, a calendar view, dashboard, and dedicated workspace. Now let's see the use cases for the follow-up app. We are going to see two use cases for the follow-up app: customer inquiry follow-up and quotation follow-up. Let's see use case 1: customer inquiry follow-up. When a customer sends an inquiry through email, website, or phone, we manage it as a lead in ERPNext. The sales team can then log in into the system and schedule follow-up actions for the lead. We'll see about creating follow-up in ERPNext later into this video. Let's see our use case 2: quotation follow-up. After sending a quotation to a customer, the sales team can check its status in ERP system. They can also set up automated reminders to follow up with customers who haven't responded to quotes within a set time. Let's see follow-up app working. The follow-up system works the same for both lead and quotation. Let's see how it works for lead. This is the default list view of the lead. As we can see, this is the lead form's detailed view with multiple fields and tabs. This is where we manage follow-ups for the lead. You can see multiple follow-ups for this lead displayed in cards. We can easily create, delete, and update follow-ups directly from here. Let's create one. We can see the create follow-up model is opened with some required fields that we have to fill to create a follow-up for the lead. First, we see the follow-up date time field, which contains the date time of the follow-up. Second is follow-up by, indicating the salesperson responsible for the follow-up. We can set the status of the follow-up like upcoming, completed, cancelled, or pending. We can also create past follow-ups with the past dates and the status completed or cancelled. The follow-up will automatically update the status. If the follow-up date passes, it will set the status to pending. The fourth field defines the priority of the follow-up, like hot, warm, and cold. The fifth field represents which type of communication will be used to take the follow-up, like call, email, SMS, WhatsApp, or visit. The last field shows the remarks for the follow-up. Let's submit the form. As we can see, the follow-up is created and added to the card view. We can edit and delete it from here. This is how we can delete the follow-up. This is how we can edit the follow-up details. This is the follow-up form where we can edit its details like priority, status, communication type, follow-up date time, etc. We can see whether the reminder is sent or not. Now let's walk through the workspace for the follow-up app. This is the workspace of the follow-up. You can see the basic details here like today's upcoming follow-up, total upcoming follow-ups, last month's follow-ups, this week's follow-ups, the follow-up date-wise line chart, and many more. Let's see the calendar view of the follow-ups. This is the calendar view of the follow-up. We can see the salesperson's name with his follow-up schedules. We can also filter them on multiple bases, like status-wise, priority-wise, etc. Let's filter them on status-wise. Now on priority. We can also drag and drop it to change its schedule. We can set unique colors for each follow-up. Let's see the follow-up Gantt view. The Gantt view will show all of our follow-ups on the timeline. We can drag and drop it to change its time. We can change the color of the follow-up too, like we did in the calendar view. Now let's see the Kanban dashboard. In the Kanban dashboard, we can see all of our follow-ups are divided into status. We can move them and update their status. Now let's see follow-up report. Here we can see the detailed report for follow-up. We can see the status is highlighted with different colors. We have covered all the required fields for the report. We have all the necessary filters that will be useful for the detailed analysis, like date range, source doc type, like from which doc type the follow-up is created, status, priority, and follow-up by. Let's see the follow-up dashboard. Here is the follow-up dashboard. We can see various number cards and charts here. Number cards are like today's follow-ups, this week's follow-ups, last week's follow-ups, last month's follow-ups, today's upcoming follow-ups, total upcoming follow-ups, total pending follow-ups, and total missed follow-ups. This is the follow-up date time chart. User-wise follow-ups, status-wise follow-up chart, source-wise follow-up chart, priority-wise follow-up chart, and communication type-wise follow-up chart. We can also customize our dashboards for any of the doc types very easily. So this is it for the follow-up management app. Thank you so much for watching this video.